Have you ever wished you could edit photos with just a text command? If so, your dream has just come true. Welcome to the magical world of MGIE, short for MLLM Guided Image Editing, a groundbreaking open-source AI model developed by none other than Apple. MGIE is not your average image editing tool. It's an intelligent, intuitive system that uses multimodal large language models, or MLMs for short, to comprehend text prompts and make pixel-level changes to photos. Imagine being able to tell your editing software to brighten the image or remove the background, and it does exactly that. Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's not magic, it's MGIE. This sophisticated AI model takes image editing to a whole new level. It's like having a professional photo editor at your disposal, ready to interpret your instructions and turn them into visually stunning imagery. But it's not just about simple adjustments like cropping, rotating, or filtering. MGIE is designed to handle a wide range of editing tasks, from advanced object manipulations and background replacement, to photo blending and global and localized edits, to brightness, contrast, shape, size, color, texture, and style. All you need to do is provide the command and MGIE does the rest. Currently, MGIE is not available as an app, but fear not, developers can access the code, data, and models on GitHub and experiment with this powerful tool. For those of you who are curious about what MGIE can do, there's a live web demo available on Hugging Face Spaces for you to play around with. In a nutshell, MGIE is a promising new tool that could dramatically change the way we edit images. It represents a significant advance in the field of multimodal AI, making complex tasks more accessible and enhancing creativity in ways we've never imagined before. So, whether you're a professional photographer, a graphic designer, or just someone who loves to play around with photos, get ready for a revolution in image editing. The future of image editing is here, and it's called MGIE. So how does this revolutionary AI model work? Well, MGIE, short for MLLM Guided Image Editing, operates on the power of multimodal large language models, or MLLMs. These MLLMs serve as the brain of MGIE, translating user commands into specific editing instructions that the software can understand and implement. It's a bit like having an interpreter between you and your computer, ensuring that your editing vision is flawlessly executed. But what's truly remarkable is the wide array of tasks MGIE can handle. It is not just limited to basic editing tasks, although it can certainly perform those with ease. From cropping and rotating to applying filters, MGIE is more than capable of handling these common adjustments. However, MGIE truly shines when it comes to advanced object manipulations. Whether you need to replace the background of an image, blend photos together, or even perform complex shape and size alterations, MGIE has got you covered. It's like having a professional photo editor at your fingertips, ready to execute your commands. But it doesn't stop there. MGIE can also undertake global and localized edits, allowing for nuanced adjustments that can truly make your images pop. Whether it's tweaking the brightness, contrast, color, texture, or style, MGIE is equipped with the tools and capabilities to ensure your photos look exactly the way you envisioned. Moreover, MGIE understands and interprets natural language instructions. This means you can simply tell it what to do in plain English. Want to make the sky in your photo a bit more vibrant? Just tell MGIE to make the sky more vibrant, and it will understand and implement your instruction. It's a level of intuitive interaction that truly sets MGIE apart from traditional image editing tools. So, whether you're a novice just dipping your toes into the world of image editing or a seasoned professional looking for a more efficient way to work, MGIE has something to offer you. It combines the power of AI with the convenience of natural language processing, providing a user-friendly platform that simplifies image editing. With MGIE, you can simply tell your computer what to do, and it will make the changes for you. Now that you know what MGIE can do, you're probably wondering how you can get your hands on it. Well, I've got some good news and some not so good news. The not so good news first, MGIE isn't available as an app just yet. But don't worry, the good news is that if you're a developer, you can still get access to this exciting technology. Apple has made MGIE open source, meaning the code, data, and models are freely available for you to delve into. You can find everything you need on the popular web-based hosting service, GitHub, which is a treasure trove for developers. On GitHub, you can access the MGIE repository, download the code, and start experimenting. You'll find instructions on how to get started, as well as guidance on how to use the code to edit images using natural language instructions. But what if you're not a developer? Well, you're not left out. There's a live web demo available for you to play around with. It's hosted on Hugging Face Spaces, an online platform where you can test out models in real time. So whether you're an AI researcher wanting to test the capabilities of MGIE or simply a curious mind wanting to see how this technology works, you can head over to Hugging Face Spaces and give it a whirl. Remember, MGIE uses multimodal large language models to understand text prompts and make pixel-level changes to photos. This means you can input natural language instructions, like make the sky more blue or remove the person in the background, and the model will do its best to carry out your command. This is a fantastic opportunity to see how the intersection of artificial intelligence and image editing can create something truly groundbreaking. It's a glimpse into the future of creativity, and it's right at your fingertips. While MGIE isn't quite ready for the mainstream, developers can start experimenting with it today. And for the rest of us, we can eagerly watch as this exciting technology continues to develop and evolve. MGIE isn't just a cool new tech toy, it has real tangible benefits. Let's delve into what makes this AI model a game changer. Firstly, MGIE is making image editing more accessible and intuitive. Gone are the days when you needed to navigate through a maze of sliders and buttons to achieve the desired effect. Now, you can simply tell MGIE what you want to do, and it gets it done. Want to brighten the image, add a sepia filter, or even swap the background? Just type in your command. It's as simple as texting a friend. This is a huge step forward in democratizing the world of image editing. Secondly, MGIE opens up new possibilities for creative workflows. By leveraging the power of multimodal large language models, MGIE can understand complex and abstract commands. This means you can now experiment with edits that were previously difficult or impossible. Imagine blending two images with a dreamy effect, or changing the style of the picture to resemble a famous painting. With MGIE, you're only limited by your imagination. But MGIE isn't just a tool for artists and designers. It's a significant advance in multimodal AI, combining the understanding of natural language with the manipulation of visual elements. This paves the way for AI to understand and interact with the world in a more human-like way, moving beyond simple text or image recognition. MGIE is a shining example of how AI is becoming more integrated and versatile, capable of handling complex tasks across different mediums. In a nutshell, MGIE is not just about editing images, it's about making technology more human-friendly, about unlocking new creative avenues, and about pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. Whether you're a developer, a designer, or just someone who enjoys playing with images, MGIE has something to offer. MGIE is set to make image editing simpler and more intuitive than ever before. Like any new technology, MGIE isn't perfect. While it opens up a world of creative possibilities, there are a few caveats to consider. For starters, it's not readily available for the average person to use. As of now, there's no app or easy interface that lets you casually experiment with the tool. It's currently more suited to developers and those with a technical background who can navigate the open source code. Moreover, you need some technical know-how to get started. This isn't your run-of-the-mill photo editing software where you can simply click and drag sliders. You'll need to understand the basics of machine learning and AI to make the most out of MGIE. In a nutshell, MGIE is a powerful tool, but it's not exactly user-friendly yet. It's a bit like a high-performance sports car that requires a skilled driver at the wheel. Despite these limitations, MGIE represents an exciting step forward in AI and image editing. So, that's MGIE in a nutshell. A revolutionary open-source AI model from Apple, MLLM-guided image editing, or MGIE, is changing the landscape of photo editing. It uses multimodal large language models to understand our text prompts and make pixel-level changes to images. This means you can instruct MGIE to make edits ranging from basic adjustments like cropping and filtering to advanced manipulations like object relocation or background replacement. While it's not yet available as an app, developers can dive into the code, data, and models on GitHub. There's also a live web demo on Hugging Face Spaces for those who want to see MGIE in action. It's a promising tool that makes image editing more accessible and intuitive, opening up new creative workflows. However, it does require a certain level of technical knowledge to get started. Stay tuned for more updates on MGIE and how it's changing the world of image editing.